Thank you. And this is Cooking with X with Xavier Rodriguez. Today, we're going to be making some French toast. First, we have to start with some eggs, some milk, and a piece of bread, of course. I like using wheat bread, it's a little harder. So, there you go. Oh. Gotta whisk your egg first. Yeah, eating has always been a problem with me. But how can I hate it when it's the thing that made me become a chef? That it's my love for food, and I'm definitely a food addict. It started when I was younger. I was a short, fat little kid who had no friends and who everyone teased. Eating made me happy. My only friend was food. That's why I started cooking at a young age. I was pretty much heavy set until after culinary school, where I figured it was time for me to do something about it. So I started working out. Never stopped eating. My life was, and still pretty much is, eat, sleep, work out, and cook. That's all I do, and I love it. I'm not ashamed. Sometimes, I swear the producers make fun of the fact that I eat so much. They always have me eat something in the show and make it look really dramatic. But I'm not ashamed. I'm the star. They're just jealous.